Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Prabhu. Really, what does it mean? The word Prabhupada consists of two words, Prabhu and Pada. Prabhu is a name that is given to a supreme personality. To say in Indonesia, the word Prabhu is a form of address to the king or the prince. Back in time in Vedic eras, quite possible that we had the same story. And actually, the translation for Prabhu means supreme. In Jagannath Puri and in different areas of India, to Balaram, Baladev, the brother of Krishna, is named as Prabhu, or has the title of Prabhu Baladev. Baladev Prabhu Shubhadra Jagannatha Swami. Mahaprabhu Jagannath, Prabhu Baladev. In this way, the word Prabhu is not a synonym of friend or brother or somebody who I like to. That is a devotee basically. Because the word Prabhu is always used, normally used, for a devotee. Of course, to Vaishnavas, we must to show a very high respect, but also to not misuse the words. If we say Prabhu, we are talking about a supreme personality, an avatar, or somebody on that size, okay, from that level. In Panchatattva, we see the word Prabhu in Prabhu Nityananda. It means that Nityananda Prabhu has the name of Prabhu because he's a devotee like the devotee Nityananda. Like so many ordinary devotee that we call everybody Prabhu. I cannot call nobody, I call Bhagavan to say. This word, of course, is a word that is used for respect and for love, but love and respect cannot mix with the tattva, with the true, the supreme true, what is true and what is not, because we can start imagining any kind of crazy ideas and crazy things. And that is exactly what we don't want to do here in Goura Sangha. We try to do the most clean possible, clean, clear and straight path in bhakti. How to practice and how to be better Vaishnav. Everyday evolutive mindset, constant evolution. The days cannot go 24 hours just like this. I didn't make anything better this day. Every day I have to wake up and to make something a little bit deeper, better. Better bhajan, better kirtan, better smaranam, better archana, etc. Better service, better seva. So the word Prabhu is a way to address to a supreme personality. As I say, in Indonesia, they call the king Prabhu. So no everybody is the king to call it Prabhu, or no everybody has this power to get this title. In the Gaudiya Vaishnavism, in the Bengali tradition, we call Prabhu only to Nityananda. And to the devotees, the word is Dada. When you address to somebody with respect, the word is Dada. So this is a way to address properly and not to misuse the words. Because the day of tomorrow somebody will call to me, hey Krishna Bhagavan, just because I can't Hare Krishna, maybe, I don't know, in some life that I have been developing a little bit of bhakti, and they will call me Bhagavan Krishna, or hey you Radhika, something like this. No, it's not the way. So the word Prabhupada is also a very complex word to keep in mind, because Prabhu first refers to a supreme personality. It's a name of God. Prabhu Balaram, Prabhu Baladev, Prabhu Jagannath, Prabhu Nityananda. So the word Prabhu is very special and important, not misused with normal and ordinary people. And Pada means feet, about lotus feet, right? Feet respected by the three words. So when you say Prabhupada, means the feet of the master, or the feet of God, right? This is a title that is given for gurus sometimes, but of course, as we can see, no speaking about Gaudiya Vaishnavism or Vaishnavism in common, because there are some rules and regulations that helps to keep the things clear. But even that, sometimes it doesn't work. But Prabhupada is not only the lotus feet, and this is the central point. Prabhupada is not only the lotus feet of the master, or who I do believe is a master, but Prabhupada, the esoteric meaning, the inner meaning of this word, means the lotus feet, the origin of the energy of the masters. In that way, Prabhupada are the lotus feet from where the spiritual masters came, give birth from his lotus feet to many different spiritual masters. In any spiritual lineage, you can call, and is correct, the correct use of the word Prabhupada is to call somebody who is manifesting a spiritual master. If somebody is manifesting and is expanding just disciples or giving diksha to so many people around, but is not training them to be spiritual masters, or the ones who are coming from him or her are no spiritual masters, are just Kalijivas with a spiritual name and they have diksha or mantra, that is not Prabhupada. Prabhupada are the lotus feet who are worshipped, but are worshipped. Why? Because from those lotus feet are emanating spiritual masters. That is the real meaning of the word Prabhupada when we see. In the case of Bhaktivedanta Swami, in my own opinion, that is correct word Prabhupada. Not all, but for sure many of his disciples were and are absolutely bona fide and beautiful. Same with the different lineage, different parivars, different sampradayas. So how to call now to the devotees, now that we know, or we have been speaking about Prabhu, the word that means divine. We can call Dada, we can call Bhai, brother, or we can say it Prabhu Ji if we want to use the word, but always knowing what is the real meaning of this word. Jai Jai Shri Radhe Shyam.